Hey guys, welcome to Love and Love. So in today's video, I'm up with a DIY cream that is very helpful and effective in reducing stretch marks. It not only reduces, it almost helps in fading away it on a regular usage. And the process of making this cream is very simple. So for this you need aloe vera gel, castor oil, and vitamin E capsule. You can even take vitamin E oil. So yeah, let's get into the process of making this cream. So this cream has a very long shelf life, like you can store it for 1 month or even more. So here I am taking clear aloe vera gel, which is free from color. I am adding it directly to the container in which I am going to store it. I am just adding 2.5 spoons. And here I have taken Evian 400 mg capsules. You can even take 600 capsules, or else you can even take vitamin E oil. So I'm just going to cut the capsule and squeeze the oil into the cream, into the aloe vera gel. And I'm taking castor oil and adding a little bit. And just mix it really well. Okay, just adding a little more. And really mix it well to form this type of consistency. You can see the cream is very plumpy and very clear, and this really helps in fading away the stretch marks on regular usage. You have to use it at least for a month to see the visible results every day. You can just fail for one day, but you have to use it regularly. Just take this cream and apply in the dotted form like so, and massage it in circular motion for good 2 to 3 minutes at least. You can even increase the duration and massage it really well so that the blood circulation will be very good over that surface. And yeah, leave it overnight. No need to wash it off in the next morning, as it will be well absorbed into the skin. And please do repeat this every day, every night there, to see the visible results. And just store it in the room temperature without any problem for months together. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If so, please give a big like and don't forget to share it with your friends. And subscribe to Love and Love and turn on the notification, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you missed my previous videos, please go watch it. The link will always be in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye.